The absence of cogent material demonstrating compelling reasons, this court is unable to find sufficient basis for limiting the constitutional right to bond. Accordingly, I find no compelling reasons. Reasons have been established to warrant denial of bonds. Consequently, the accused person shall be released on bond on the following terms. Each accused person shall execute a bond of Kenyan shillings 100,000 with one short of similar amounts. In the alternative, each accused person may deposit a cash bill of Kenyan shillings 20,000. Number 3, the accused person shall not directly or indirectly contact, intimidate, threaten, or interfere with any prosecution witness. Number 4, the accused persons shall attend the court whenever required and until the case is heard and determined. And number 5, any breach of the above conditions shall lead to cancellation of the bond. It is so ordered.